Did you sign up for a credit repair company that uses Metro 2? Or maybe you're using Metro 2 as a do-it-yourself with all the options available on the internet. If so, this is definitely the video for you. So, Metro 2, it's the secret sauce that a lot of these so-called professionals are using on YouTube. And I'm not going to ever say that it don't work, because it works, but I'm going to put an example up here. Whoops, sorry. Cut. Wrong sample. But anyway, right here, the issue with Metro 2 is, the number one issue is you have no leg to stand on if they don't fix, the inaccuracies. That's why factual disputing is superior to any other form of disputing negative items on your credit report. The other thing is, I'm going to show another picture up here. Some of these letters are 20, 30 pages long. So your post office visits, you're going to be spending a lot of money, especially if you're sending certified. And my advice to you would be, do not send Metro 2 letters certified, because again, they hold no weight in court. So if you're working with a company that's using Metro 2, or if you're using the do-it-yourself, whether it be Dispute Beast, Prodigy Surge, Dispute Panda, whatever you're using, I'm not here to down them. They're trying to make money. We're all trying to make money, right? But we don't use that stuff. It's very expensive and it works, it's just not that effective. So my advice to you would be to, if you're using a company that uses Metro 2, and I'm just going to be honest here, figure it out yourself. You've got a better chance at figuring out yourself than you do getting results with Metro 2. I'm serious, and you're going to save a lot of money. You should not be paying anybody to do Metro 2 disputes. In fact, we don't even do it anymore for $10 a month. It's just not worth it. It's too much paperwork, too many letters, too many stamps. It's just not worth it. Or find you a company that uses a different method, whether it be consumer laws. Consumer laws are powerful, they are. Or factual disputing. Now, if you want to use a company that can help you sue the credit bureaus and the creditors, we are one of the very few companies that offer that. So definitely reach out to me, leave a comment. If you have any questions, please let me know. But I hope you'll have a great night.